a full chlorine, swapping out a chlorine, or it'll teach you how to switch tanks and the nuts and bolts of disinfecting water with chlorine. This one just basically gives you just a short, sweet introduction to some of the instruments. So this is your chlorine probe. And this is just a 4 to 20 milliamp signal. When I turn on the chlorine analyzer, what is happening is you'll have chlorine coming in to the system here, and it's going to mix with water in the system. And this chromatic valve will allow a certain amount of chlorine going in based on the reading in your water. So if it senses no chlorine, it's going to bubble quite a bit of chlorine in there. If it senses high, it wants to shut it right off. So we can simulate like pouring water and bleach. So we'll just have one container with clean water, one container with a bit of bleach. We're going to test it. We're going to actually dip the probe inside, and you'll see the valve open and close. Rinse it off again, please, and put it back. And then you're also going to simulate the full range by using one of these 4 to 20 milliamp transmitters. If you guys remember, your camera just fell, by the way. So you're going to switch to source and set it to 4 milliamps. 4 milliamps for a 4 to 20 milliamp transmitter. 4 milliamps equals what? Off, 0, yes. And indeed, you should have off or closed. If I bump it up to 20 milliamps, they'll go all the way open. And I'll just have you guys sort of play with it.
So all that box is doing is converting the chlorine reading to an electrical signal that drives the
That's it.
motor.
That's all instruments are. Yeah, in this case it's the valve, but yeah. It looks like somebody's messed up my calibration. Normally in the field, you never touch this. Once it's calibrated, don't.
Never Shane, I seen you do it.
Yeah, I know. I'll have you guys tune them up later. Or maybe not. Okay, so yeah, there's fully open, and then I'll just have you guys, put in some signal, and you'll see it seek for that. Right now it's at 7.55, and the valve they'll get there, and they'll try to come up a bit and down. That's it. So just a very brief introduction to some of the menus here. This is Andrus Hauser. Trying to get this perfect. And to the valve, and again 4 to 20 milliamp signals. Any questions on this one?